Adom, Ghana's #1 radio station. Good afternoon to you. How are you doing? Yes, it's a beautiful Monday afternoon here in the nation's capital, Accra. Baby, out here, across the globe. I want to say welcome to your own show, Ofie Kwanso, with me, Jerry Justice, from now till 6. Now you hear news, papa, and something now. I know your person to your person who they're calling their bunny now, or better now, right here at Adom 106.3 FM. Where your Papa Christine, I see what Jimmy. And before this one was another one from her, a best son. Yes, a best son. O situation you said the eternal. And Kahoda, Yamitia seeing Quadia, a best son. And before that one was the Daughters of Glorious Jesus with us Sumdri Hine. And you also heard something from Brother Philemon, Mebo Wooding. And we started off with Amy Newman and Nora and Nelson. All right, see, Sunday another be Americano. Say your court weekend, no banner, a sunshine another week as a sana. I say, then you may say, because a lot goes into it. What you say, weekend, the moon, some now net dosupa, you move to a quine at the idea. A binumusuna more programs, binumun, they can come home. Oh, Nani, I'm going to say, you made the yakod the abadi, trying to be a cooler. And then I end then you may say, into you do one more journey or platform near the NET. There are more opportunity, no. What I say, now so what can be a chair a day? Oh, Jimmy, so you feel Kwanso Adom 106.3 FM. Now, as usual, I don't phobia madama, and almost showing us cinema, it's media of Fendi kind near Radia, bro. Then, when Ansana may be a phone lines, no, na. Yet, here the honor Jaman phone sweating me a frabba. Me wa will be woman chen studio ha. Buy no more attack me sharp. Was master whether you like it or yes, we have come, so we will talk. And I'm so don't worry. Omo kromo bajami. Omo krombe do adwumu ajami. Oh yeah. Enti meni omo so be bon komo kakra. Na e wie komo na apena. Na e de obuasim. Na ye kosa. Now I'm framing, now I'm denyam. So get ready to give me that call. Yeah, very, very soon. That's right, yo. Good afternoon one more time and welcome. Catch on. How can you say? So kwaku na maintain you ordinary na share me osonia breko wo shania titi amuchania medipo ade aya na enwa ye dia aswatiefo behu na my fresh boy but them no mu no they don't know Tell them. Nanka misamin fata cry. Watching me. Oh, yeah, leave my brody. Watching me. Everyone. Don't fall
say one I wouldn't want you to want so the one you know with you. Hey, so I know the pepper. Now so when you know I was soon your brego or shane atiti. I was shane your belly up. I know why dear.
You be who now I FF. Now so you will come on now anymore.
Watching you, oh, you want more brody.
Okay, Timmy card to any semi war a Adophobia studio Hanamo and young Bebon Comocra no cranny Omicron be do her jammy and son I may ba. And I'm saying, I'm saying whether you like it or yes, we have come and we will talk. And I'm saying, my mom can create the answer. It is here idea. Mini excuse be was my bonum kakra. Ti ese me mo makonya na omukasa kakra. Alusa from patch up me mama akwaba.
Yo, that's
na bibia boko there.
Boko. Adom.
I said why him boko. All right. Mudi enya wo bani o say movie sem na abamu ane ade ade a. Minim ba bia me fan starting free. Ma me just say me start here via o say sen yo. Mpacho bodi nche na wo no minya hu din no na view dey to aso.
Mr. But your family is somewhat got me film producer.
Oh yeah, yes. I mean, boko there. Okay, would can be any so chance because from where you are coming from, no bit me a trap clearer picture. No more we are now almost what it dear continues in you know, your bomb so.
That's it. I'm say Ghana for Michicha, Ethiopia, and
Ghana for Joseph.
And almost show me programs. I'm on for in Sembri and they say. Idimbia kakalika kakalika love movie na I'm for huni promo TV so December ba only fella makafu ne and then ya de na me jabe na me kasane ade no ya na bedu ano ense mi nyina na kogu say any problem bi amini fella bi any problem obi any problem bi ebio controversy ze ba nyina na ya solve
okay
ya me adoma sna ye show film no ye show film no na start at 6 p.m.
Kalika love ya
and you know enya dia issue bia was a movie no adwen ba man futi mo amone to mtim say court sem nya dia ni nyina
solved
ya kasa ya solve that problem nti o tell you ready say the much anticipated movie Kalika Love starring the bigger legends like Ofie Kwanso, Kasum Sinari, Jackie Apia, Miasumi Bombi, Tuma Jankatown, and Uma Group, La Alaska. They say, no, kill us a gumuno. And Yasem Kitwa, if you come off when you
okay, me pesa o kan bi ka catch na me ma Kasum dana or no so e bia ne part now play no na ne role no kan bi ka catch but my what is Kalika Love all about?
Okay. Kalika Love no say me kana me nim da but me papa kana in there or my intention bi o catch me say na e din bi e wo ho say mu di do na say mo dey ta the friend Kalika Love
sir you know what make people know say this be the fire but they the fire
and I'm not for say medini you are dey to we no fine coincidence but film no hwe mu a fela makafui one uma no mo tete me kra me Jackie ne tete akankra na ye papa ne ma me so mo tie omo kra sana before ye wo mo no so tete
no mo so
tete ne say dosu what you say and I'm on for da na won kola me sure say ma me ne papa ko mo ten so mo de wo nti tete dey
and then the beginning na untimi you anim sa just
Kalika Love the movie no very beautiful storyline is very simple
okay
a tough
all right
nyame krapa ma amanisa so woni ya o ma nominate 5 nominations for Ghana Movie Awards.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Kakalika Love.
Wow. That's beautiful.
Jackie picked the best nominee for best lead actress. Uma picked the best with supporting character. Me picked the best picture. And Miss Cora no. So in that movie that's in the so banner movie not now. You fall in love with the movie.
We'll come to baby in time near dinner. Because you share part now who play. Then now you Kakalika Love.
Michia
Ghana for Joso.
Yes. As usual, me and mommy. See me play and Kulana mommy.
Oh, okay.
To say no kind no na me tete and me konye me ene me kunu and me family o manji antum say we dey okofa no wo he it happens in a lot of families in lineage nti yes I know ferry any bibi anti me fi baby a me wo no e ko pie baby foforo say me say meka atwaswa and the story no maton ewu nti me pese me ton no
etina na okunu kofi
kofi de eja me kunu me brother me papa me bibia me nya no mpo
edu so ye den o tete na obogu mu ana
ye tete pa sabio me chia etiefo
Joso etiefo Kofi Ajolo na motene nka no
me dindi Kofi Ajolo do in fact adie film a me kan na asemi movie way no a movie bia me de and crowd there dem bia maka my movies pa p na movie way no set no story no ka sumbo su ka kre me mum de tita na me tita no a dia sampi ba na di buy so no me badane convince ni enti film nankasa no this is the first time I'm ubu Kofi Ajola wa dani convince ni or you or acting convince ni my acting president my acting chief my acting killer my acting mafia godfather my acting carpenter my acting bia doctor me acting convince ni da enti we die me angasa me my imagine say me pese me ko hu me angasa me hu on big screen
the way you acted
the way I acted me na me short now me sure say anti pese me ko premier no na nkrofo pia o man ka chem say samanya ade o samanya ade o na matime hu anti
I love that
and my asamani anti me de me achina na me angasa me hu I will tell myself say I'm assess me say through the people who come to watch the film.
Sure.
In the China no, very launching premier no.
All right. Now, you share our China. You made any bus or fan and what time? And so na bus.
Mr. Nyame Adom China National Theatre. Yeah, National Theatre in Accra. The station Channel. Yes, 6 p.m. First show be started. Red carpet be started 5 o'clock.
Okay.
And 6 p.m. the first show be started. If we are until they want to be Bantama Grantino, you don't measure 8 p.m. It's any second show.
Okay, now, so there's going to be a first show, second
show.
Okay.
And Yamese can stars will be even crap apart from stars are
more
another stars
moving
that's it. I invite big stars. Someone person will picture and starting with Christmas. We are bringing all the stars.
Okay.
Minjin this episode TV now we say this opportunity.
Okay.
And I think it is only 1 year. Minya 30 Ghana series. 30. Yes.
Patro ya available in Fana.
Patro.
Amount for a while no go people.
Okay. Yem pesa amount for be wasted time.
Chin ya dia.
Tickets so
obanya bibia. Obanya bibia. And I say my member me go for ya baso. Kasa prego for mama me. Free chance obia obeba bia obeto ticket de bia. Only drink free.
Oh wow.
Again now
that's nice. That's nice.
Who thought ticket pa only drink free. Now that go from no. And you know Eminia ya yebi.
Okay.
Film no dey e demu fua.
Kakalika love. Watch now you better say the BC cover. But I say if you come I say
why do bia so alo if you come over. If you come na I say.
Can you show?
And if you come egbe wa na if you come why I say. Was solid bia na if you come over. Oh brothers, I will tell you. No one my wallet all the way from Tadi to precise Okina. Yeah, we about support Kakalika love. Tadi the on the first. Tadi we
so on the first will be in Tadi.
Only Akroma Plaza.
Wow.
Okina.
Wow.
Plaza.
Wow.
I Tadi.
Okay.
Only first, but China 18th no National Theatre.
Sure.
obo hulam kon to be honest am be one jaw straight
no answer man. All right, enti nyame Adom ochna on National Theatre Kakalika Love ye premiere on to bia mra 30 cities pe we so nkochi nko ba bi nkoto ticket na waba wo National Theatre ona na wato na waba na me pacho any number bi anu o say bi obi pese o ye na ye fan so
but your number is 0243 64 70 93
again
0243 64 70 93 o ticket and patch of friend number we okay bia wo bia obunetic na ade ba kono say be dey choose here no say we a national program like a big place there you choose 1500 something capacity and this who need tickets cram over me say o china say o ba ubenya ticket at all every market
gate
in fact the capacity is so huge there's no way you not get somewhere to sit
sure
into china there starts almost more bantem like everybody is ready to take pictures with everybody until what is your problem what's answer drink crass and piss
free cry on top
what I say until million mesemo controversy buy one only fella makafu dia nyina
BBI is soft
everything is soft
all right
fella na cry on oh baby
or china
or no cry baby until me who sent ya because we ja to say o ti fie na say Kakalika Love no nyemu kan nya twem bi
all right so I remember was ti nyame Adom ochna me point happen na me twa fa na ma hwe say dey be see akwafa because I need to see nearly okay it's you ya da ma say nyame Adom ochna say dey me kan na be hia ho na ya hwe say dey be see akwafa na etimi wa oh is I don't want to go and watch it now my better radio so catch on timpacho ochna no nie hia ho nie na hwe na just na ate ho ase na ye hu say dey be see akwafa why enti ya wie ni say ye no ye ne atie for beto aso 0302216561 0302216562 real quick a break enti a break akre ho no na ye fande nyame ase ofedi kan ni radia ye Ofie Kwanso medie so call me now let's hear from you so den nyame ase e Ofie Kwanso medie so Adom 106.3 FM ofedi kan ni radia ye. First call already on the line. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Boss.
Patrol lower radio set na your mom come why?
Okay.
Your boss eh?
Pacific.
I me patrol radio no still loud.
Patrol.
I feel kasa you.
Yeah. So me danya yasi. So I share soon. Tiano pa dia go try weekend ni dia dia ba. Ashara shira na idwamano.
Amen.
Now this one danya yasi for our life.
You me so me dance pa. All right, me dance pa cause we tea. Hello. Okay. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, brother.
Me ba try from say boss you.
E frame Usman.
Usman say mo akwa ban patch with you.
Oh, brother, the nya ko ya o me dia. Is a dose to be a dose to be. Minti tell you am Adom FM. That's one can experience Benjamin Asepa. I am an inquisitive idea. And our brother is
that's it. Nyame sure, Nyame count. Let's ask for a next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Patrick Frost and Bossu.
Sammy.
What's it?
Your friend Sammy.
Oh, all right, Brass, I'm Patrick with you.
I'm say there were Yamami Apimu. A careful, my full casa, Kojina. Amen. Yeah, that's a pa. Me patrol. And say before fair food you no men can say coke be Santa and also a coso den. Yeah, you can want some watch your bebre. Say Christmas season they do say ya. Obia nyaya na che say Father Christmas and money bibi. Now this time ni dey Coca-Cola for us some o baba for the Christmas na kasa o baba Santa o na baba cha dey no. Yeah, very simple. Christmas carols are all all no cook set to be now ultimate toa o friend now about Ofie Kwanso I was you me percent me to Christmas carol ye this week e de ma me maame na wa bo ma me din fefe kama na wa to nwom no de ama no na nwom to no eso anipa na ka koma Coca-Cola bema hamper kesepa no wa ma ba konso na wo de akwache wo maame e de aka ho Netie enyum na ba beto no onto the usual Christmas carol na yin na yin no o ba beto no one kasa local dialect mu say ye twi na o kan na wato say so beto wa be kasa mu so say dagbani mu say so enkran mu ene na wato na o kwa say yes I Feliz Navidad na wato dagbani mu pa jo Yes, that's how it's going to be. So it's happening right here on Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. Yes, Bisanta, we're Ghana style. Brought to you by Coca-Cola. Yes, Coca-Cola, Bisanta. Young fire next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, afternoon.
Patrick Frost and Bossu.
Yeah, Brenya Michael.
And then the member my idea Palmatic Cuba, one or more friend. All right. Brenya, you
yes, yeah, Brenya Miasi. The name my friend is for my Elizabeth. Na yɛhwɛ nyamea yɛ ma yɛ titi afi ahyɛ aseɛ bɛpem na yɛhu ne yɛnka yɛdi
too bad Brenya call back why Brenya you're from next call. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Patrick Frosting.
But you are not very much controlled.
I jump Patrick I see it you.
Oh, me then I'm Kupansi, Emma, then I'm Yasti, Emma, me by Emmanuel, I was saying, or train young and 14 years, Pepe, and just fill up when Uncle Pants, what my boy. I'm an onion, I'm an onion slapper.
Amen. Omo my fans were sure and catch them so some Martini now. Oh, Monka send you gra. A patch for that Christmas promotion, I cost then. Who said Christmas season, I said Rubim. A do Sabri and a mouth for your doy and Crawford Chenya money are there. Now, whatever your organizational budget may be, you can get in touch with Lily for now. Lily Beb wow. Now, sweat me and your name, how do I pass all the man or hard working staff there, warrior organization. The patrol organization bet me I enjoy up to 5% discount on total purchase. Say, or more at the better the amount for individuals, NGOs, and corporate organizations are more planning to undertake a charity program during this festive season. And contact here, and I am good deals. All the 10 regions of Ghana and some notable district capitals. Munso, BBN your friend, 0540 101 671 and now 0546 682 060. But you just send me an email and research at ramanidistribution.com and now sales at ramanidistribution.com. Now you reserve all the amount. Come inquiries beyond so I bet me idea found. Lily, tasty food, happy family. You enter us on fire next call on the line. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Patrick Frost saying. Great, me Patrick mo akwa ba yentiwe.
Oh, gradually, then you could want to papa. And we can now finish some now facing other thing. The name is here than you could want to papa. Now you're looking at me through. The thing now program, Utu, Panama, you
Amen. Then you say, Papa. Patrol Blue Rose Estate. Almost you see a dying estate buildings, baby. Maku 1, 2, 3, kosi 1,000. Yes. And they almost 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedroom houses. Now, for 4 crowd on my current estate, no, I have friend Blue Gardens Estate, no, and no, our Kaswa Budumburam, one of my name. Now, as part of celebrating their 1,000th housing unit, L launched the 100 for 100 promotion. Very simple. Blue Rose Limited in partnership with Republic Bank offer 1,000 of 2-bedroom houses for public sector workers. Yeah, the diner cost offers our promotion. Now the better diner bet me save up to 24,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah. As I saw here, public sector worker now depositing a minimum of 20% of the cost of the house now by the 31st of December 2018. And as I saw, a dino through Republic Bank on mortgage. Yeah, no. Amount 15 to 20 years repayment. If you patrol bet me send in WhatsApp and I'll bet me a friend and for numbers in Mubia so 050-132-6968 and I'll fee 050-133-2455. Next call on the line. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon. Me patro for saying. What's your for saying? Me tip up about to go ahead 90 you. It's you. Line in why be our friend from Patro. Young for last 2 calls. Now young from Mary. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me Patro your friend saying.
Patro from Janet.
Janet, you want to come Patro meet you.
Patro me dey nyamia se. Oh, adia wire mam. Semeka. Mi hu ya me de bedana. Inti me dey nyamia se bebre. Fiti January, abesti December. Na ma drum. Bibia ye me. Me da so tia na.
Too bad. Yeah, my friend, last call about before that, my man can for Brolio pure sunflower oil MR. We end the original pure sunflower oil IFE Germany. Papa FDA mushi mwaja tunsampa correct. Na change sunflower oil be all market. Sunflower oil and kasan good buoni papa. What to compare other oil na kanina. But we no there pure pa. Brolio pure sunflower oil. Uniquadros Ghana Limited na kofadia ba papa made in Germany. Eti patro niam be chichichichi. Ana aduani bia wo ye require so be use oil bia no. Manenya Brolio pure sunflower oil. Available market be bia dodo pa no hwen chi akwan bia ne. Total filling station din hwe anymore da Kuma Junction of the Kaneshima Malam Highway. Obet me a friend 0302 316 199 afi 055 460 3046. Brolio pure sunflower oil, cholesterol free, hygienic sunflower edible oil. You'll find your last caller for today. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Patrick Frost, Abusia.
Ike ni ala Sokolala.
Ike.
Yes, I jolly.
Sokolala.
Jelilala.
You do it.
Roger.
Yeah.
I tell for me last call and Pamato be afraid.
I know. You know.
Rather than that, my money and my brother. And yes, you badly. Flowy. My photo for myself, photo for Mammy, that's a little bit too early. The person made for my cobato for Sabia. Mamma talking with you, boom, Panama, Presabia member.
You, Mate.
I am badging me there, the answer, Mammy, Panama, Blabo. Sunny saying easy. The Amini Mutinam can come my young one here. I feed the general bomb and Muslim now buying. Then I see. Roger was me done a couple of now couple amount, so one council. The motor out the car, Namosono. And easy.
Yeah. But that's a pa. I said, no, I can't motor in today. That's a driver be as what those at you. On them inner limb, Miss Minam Atali. Whom you are so about how by force. Bobby Palm, yes, was a book on them. Hey, yo, I didn't say what the bum side was every day. Yamini crew crying. Yamias, one more February, mediation, I say, yeah, fast that can say my proud sponsors on boy and my dear offending can you radia brew and what you bit here as somewhere in area and so you're able to your home for few questions mediation. As they can come buy101.com. And they all mark of our vehicle fair 2018 and they are back. Nyame Adom from the 22nd to the 23rd of December and Basso den World Trade Fair Center. Yeah, parade a wide variety of cars for you to choose from. And you peka biato and patrol, make sure so be bao. Now so be share. You be auction cars, you be swap cars on so you walk out that I drive you be ultimately the best swap no they are gym on alcohol. And no I don't know. Oh, car person or tons one patrol bra. Obe your top 4 on that day. Obet me a friend one register 0266 637 111 afi 0302 300 472. Obet me so visit www.buy101.com. Now what me a view and I wash a cars and spare parts how do I why bet on you now. Event way it is spoiled by buy101.com. As they do on command DBS Industries Limited on my DBS roofing sheet. Yes, Colorlink Plus roofing sheet. Where a pre-coated roofing sheet and your roofing sheet now. you try to reans and the paint your fast be there be and to say ne say ti color no say the tie no from day one et sa kopma wie emfedi empeli off empuna campus and chance na rusty and it no be to be a 20-year warranty was so the was I enjoy 5% discount to reach on the Sprinters Road next to Papa Restaurant with me heading down 0577-619-102 afi 0543-286-637. Yeah, new roof expert now. Your friend was there you call Ediama Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited GT Bank, the most innovative and technology advanced bank. Papa Ijanaso to say na. And there was a star 737 and their crop. Who bet me the bank not transacted business be our person in here our brown co banking hall. Yes, uti be account on your mobile phone, uti link your account no with your mobile money wallet for easy transfers. And to be any our friend, I am sister now to chat to 050-140-9490. Afi 050-144-9481. Simple banking for every Ghanaian. Try it today and smile. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? I first did your encore Emma Farmer Trust Limited. Edumakua. Almost so MIA Healthy Link Health Link product. Na Mr. Wada. Yebeka wasem na anwa day menium ko yenhia mu bina no krani niam mu biebie nu so kire me ne de masajai we onipa na to na wampe saa Health Link product bi ano no mo a ebe hadwen ehu hia pa yebeka ho asem achiri achichi mu akire pa yi the patrol transition the funeral people aye ba fia omo ene beboa o odehye bi ehwe ene kwa na otofom a from the one kopem say yebehwe aye yi kra na chi no jani na farmer transition the funeral people na omomwa your policies ne plans how do be brew do ho bedom ana do ho be shembia ebrebone no eduru a ebetimi agina wachi echigina pa na say the be na won wani enkutu ento nsam enwe echi akwan ewo hacho atomic road no so na transition the funeral people and a member of the enterprise group. Finally, a first day the Kojak Pharma Limited. I'm the mind the original pro code, the Kutia code, and a flu, and a Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste, and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash, and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. Or say, Udi ade chill the pa and hot, and ade sweet pa and F in fimo. The patrol used to Kojak F toothpaste in the mouthwash a bejai. What the uncle told the ane yo ya told the choose a crane to muja. Use Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks. Now if you want switch it to Kojak F, BBA be fine. Upper best result I use Kojak sensitive toothbrush if I can't why where we cry. They are available at pharmacy shops throughout the country. The door pan of Fred Kojak Pharma Limited. It was 0249-209-920 and of 0260-870-780. Behuni a check when I Kanshi drug lane. FDA for and crack to Muaja to Zampa. Correct. This is a brand new one from the lady known as Lady Prempe. She calls this one as Seda.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jeff on Adom 106.3 FM.
Beautiful one. Beautiful song. We Ify Lady Prempe and Chain. Ofrewi Asida. It's a nice song. I love it. I love it. And this is a brand new one from Ohima Messi. And this one here features Morris Babyface. Onime. Another great song. Mienu. Miensa. Let's go, y'all. Mienu. Miensa. Good afternoon, Elkoma. Pastor Augustine Smart. Oh no, wife. Pastor Michiao. Now, Miss Nyamia Sum Dreaming in Shira Emma. Danny Dana. Now, Femia Minia Bema. Nana Kwame. Oh, Hanover. Ewo Germany. Nana Nyamin Shao. For your kind heart, what it? And your brothers in Yana, and your brothers are. How they we are true brother. Nyamisha. Nyamisha, Mr. Ben Dankwa. Mr. Ben Dankwa. We are great friend. Oh, you can't down for you be or no, that's why no more could dinamo kona muchina monantes ana mucha wete to ne hinamuna moko basa and say wonderful. Obu on one or far away, but or wonderful pa. I tell you. Obi Taron champions, massa. Yeah. I also want down for no. Oh, wow, when you will be proud. And greetings going out to you, Prophet Sefas Kwame Pega Tambaklu. Breaking yoke. Now, no Adom would be on 15th anniversary. Must have been and easy. It was a grand event, Ankasa. Papa Nyamisha, what? Fire! 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 No, I knew me to be more about it. No way. Morris is trying. I am my message trying. Mon train. Young Reggie. You penny, I shall somewhere to for you. 21 what dollars were US. Was a good news for Monday. Very inspirational. And it's your birthday today, Rebecca. Happy birthday to you. From Ryan, David, Evelyn, and then your father, Nana Kwame. Omunina wish you happy birthday. Mia Kasansume wish you happy birthday, Nyami Unshapa. The whole family loves you so much. Oh, Hanover, Rebecca. Nyami Inshawati. na on found yen juma. Grow and become that great person. I nyame person oh yeah. E wo Yesu di mu. You know, sometimes I am to phone to me to you. What trust Dina out here, you na? What time to me born you be Miss Anyway? It is my story. Now, on him, my message, you know, the Abano. Share any young back open a was so. And you know, was no dozen in near day. But me, the whole evening area penance. No, this song is my personal something. Because in life, sometimes meet nasi dina Mrs. Senior ma bisho ma brabum. Na fe eba de me conclude a me kan say nyame onime kwaku. Right from the start nyame onime. Because enye sa pa. Oh, she ankamenti aha wie ya me no kasa wi odo. Ije to da na ye kan bibia na enim de ye kan o. Me ye mujato ada ma frempom ayem no. Na urade ni me straight. Kwablo mesen hia ma frempom a wo se ne pa no peso be pina still na urade ahihya to. Urade say ura empinwa kuma. Because no nim say just a kwabna de aboso ansa na amatimi anyinse me. Ene say ya me de ba ayo. Dear Raddy, only me papa. Intimate way, men found it, dear Nipa Baye. Dear Bessie Biano, a radia, and Guswa, Crookremua. Ofie Kwanso, with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice. And there was me if I was it in you. What my miss over at the gym way? What got me a shamatani? Oh, mamma, there was you. Papa, yes, way. Why am I so mafia to me? Like a woman, yo. Well, I need a say. Good afternoon, Enkoma Apostle Safo Dakon or Canada. Name on Saturday, there will be Pimo Ghana. Now, the same Babu Sumidi more them up because of wife birthday and also birthday. Wife birthday on the 10th. of December, yeah, it's a belated one and common, and also the Nyame Adom the 18th of December. It's a happy birthday and come out Mummy Nuna on the wife. Joyce Boatin Dakon. Nyame Inshamo. Sister Gifty Kuma or of Fanco Market. Today is your birthday. Now, yet she said that the word be ready and move go, you know. It's a dedication of food ever had. It's Sister Gifty Kuma of a Fanco Market. Happy birthday to you. Nyame Onshaw. Omo more Fanco Market win each moon area. I was your brand society as some way to on for area. Asamwa ye che na ye de atu ye hofo a wo Ofie Kwanso dwumedie so no wo brofo kasem na asem ne say sometimes it is best to keep one's mouth shut in this life, not because you have nothing to say, but because it isn't the best moment to talk. It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubts. Asem ne say to da e ye pass or dasani obeka wano atum madam Fufanti was kawano pado chese kawano tum e ye pass to da or dasani obeka wano atum chese obekasa enye se ebia woni hwe ka Nemum, Sabre Numuna, our pesa or casano. Ebia nenye bripum, sesa wakasa. Na a young po, so beka one watum, chen se, ube koswa se o kokasa. Na udia cheche nemum achro manfo. Udia se empo, esansa waka one watum se nipa bu se we Jimmy Fompa, momu musa, and umpo and one faso. Chance obey wadwin say obekasa na de bia e chichiro manfo adwin fa hu bia no watimi class ade ni afio enye yi because let me tell you opa ye papa wo wiase nyina na dakrope ye bone ba kope sa bone na oye no that is the only thing people will remember about you. And you can go around explaining yourself to people. Say some way I'm watching from me yes oh me dey yes na me tio me dey yes na me tio me dey yes na masa ehun hia you ani na bo bra because explanations now dey be mani na no say odasani be tie no be dia tum say onyin tum no you don't have any control over it, so why waste your time and energy in explaining yourself, going around wasting time talking o say energy kura kan kawano tum and keep doing what you're doing. Once you believe, said the way no is the right thing. Wonu nyamentem unim se wuntia obi na so. Wonu nyamentem unim se ade se ne fata se wo ye na wo ye no. Koso ane de nipa be ka fa ho no me patro bu ani guso. Ense wadaje o bibi a opese wo ye e ma nipa hu se enye sa na ote a enye wo kasa obeka. You can prove it with your actions and not your mouth. Timpacho kasa bebre no ehun hia yentwa so. Sometimes it is best to keep one's mouth shut in this life, not because you have nothing to say, but because it isn't the best moment to talk. It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubts. We need somewhere ne yedi tu ye hofo e wo Ofie Kwanso medie so. Ye first was that my proud sponsors omo boy me bro. Duraloop UCL fuel additive. Papa unya bia wawie o ka no fan ko workshop nko servicing. If you now by injectors, ne fuel, you pump near the idea munan, and no other cleaning now. What they are tobacco, ne boy yeding, fatu canum, run a car now, fuel on a san. O could do fuel station, or to fuel a gusna, wow be a tank now, no shit, Duralu UCL fuel additive need a goom. No fee, one man fuel attendant, no bufu, no guswama. And one no, what they can in them near cleaning, near lubricative fuel injectors, no, near cleaning, nothing so no, a lubricative fuel pump, ne connectors need now to prevent rust. Now I clean the entire fuel system need now I restore performance. Now my car na fuel efficient hammer pa. Ebwa you may year power petrol ni diesel engines na eso. It will be a PBH crime. Available XL filling station BMU or Ghana babia. Dodo pa no General American Auto Parts Ewo Community 9. Right after Temamoto Way. Roundabout no hona be hu friend was 055 648 6379 after 020 299-6662. And when you Methodist University College Ghana, so you are Ponkesia Pa, a banner decision move for Niagara 2019 academic year, no BM. Ya make us say admissions den certificate, diploma, undergraduate, and then postgraduate degree programs for general admissions. Age den. Now your courses be brave. Yeah, no, accounting, finance, procurement and supply chain management, arts, your friends say social sciences, English, communication studies, psychology, social work, economics, guidance and counseling, science and so on. Information technology near there, general nursing, mathematics, statistics, education and entrepreneurship. Afi MA in small business management near there. Ni nyina no ye betimi de wafam. Patro bomode ama onsanka forms ni bi e wo ye campuses ahodo ni nyina mu ye wo eye dansoman afi tema and a wenchi in the Brown Afro region. Ye run day, evening and a weekend sessions so ye fees in there very affordable. Now betimi ko enya special discount on so e de aka ho. Patro obetimi so do ani ache university college e ho no eye Accra City no and no any Methodist headquarters no just say premises one ne total house din hwe animu sounds so bit me apply online and I'll be download the application forms ni bi wa bra on your website www.mucg.edu.gh. Mature applicants also above 25 years bit me apply bi patcho free and CCR we admissions hotline 055 830 9050 na ya bon komo. For quality education, you can always trust the Methodist. And when you say do farmer feco spray starch, when you be good at and so penuano, iron and very easy, the amount simple cry. At any other cry sense or the feco goose rat 29 many and monocama pa at what I didn't know. Now a jan nice fragrance room to when you perfume cry. Oh, yeah, okay. As soon as you go into use a chance and answer. Available shops and stores in supermarkets. I'll do them. Do pound there. Now I should share Samara Company Limited. Shark quite feco spray starch. I say look sharp. Finally, a fast day. Do you know? Serene Insurance, the new face of insurance, and they open motor insurance, marine insurance, aviation, general accident insurance, any policies. I do not can nina yebi and I say around be one kama pa. Bet me don't abeshim bina aboa pa. Ye the best ban insurance on some ya quadra pa nei ye chewa se mo ato ho ase ye mo sampa insurance and faso de ma papa wo so ehia se on so ultimate ho Adom insurance bi tiba chofre na e train situation na omni ehwem wan so bitimi de aboa 0302 917 444 0302 917 446 and 050 133 7119 and 050-133-7120. Your website is sereneinsurance.com. Your head office, our first floor, first Kai Tower, Community 25 Junction, right after Kumbaria, and our N1 Highway National La Paz. Your name ADB, Edin Serene Insurance, the new face of insurance. You have tried to make so.
Suku Papa Beboama wa this year dinkai. And if I want to Methodist University College Ghana. Methodist University College Ghana. Mao ye postgraduate, undergraduate, diploma, and certificate courses were accounting, HR management, marketing, procurement, and supply management, communication, maths, actuarial science, IT, psychology, agri, theater studies. Ni courses are Hoodwopi. Your campuses were Dansoma, Tema, Eniwenchi, Afibiano, Yaji Esuku 444 was September and January Bosumi. Who on Sembisebia? Fred 0307 098 419. Anna 0302 312 980. Anna call mucg.edu.gh. Ebana Lucia Papadia, Methodist for now bit me a June.
Hello, Ghana for Nana McBrown, yo. Say, dear, you're from me, Mama Roma. If we send me the Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil, and a bomb hoba, Kanu Crow, and Tontoma Drobe Brain, a wasashe. Every year also become Nanso a Jouti area. Every so dear and Kumukra, as I Jankabone Wodem. Nanso Roma insecticide spray, dear. Emrun tuntum no, e kuntuntum ne tefra ne mwa kete sharp. Na say jankapa wo dem. Na Roma mosquito coil ne die. Emma mani keke. Wosa empro wusio ne kuntuntum no one time. Na ma wo dem wa ye sham. Enti se me na mabusia dem ma de chia. Ye ne kata ni tiare bia ni asem. Say die se wo to insecticide spray and mosquito coil. Bisa Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil. Total Master. Kayo Sawu sprayer. Free 15 minutes.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Would ya buy Jumeku, NGO, school, ana enyamsum ko bi animu ana. Say nimra, esesemufa Ecobank commercial banking so, edin ni komo animu ntem so. Yen services a, yase da shama wo, eni adwuma yefo a, wane obeye adwuma kwa emre so no nti. Yebetumi aboa ama odi wakatua, ene osikaje atoto na kwam. Na yasanso aboa ama watre Jumeku na hyemu. Opese odi en platform nwanso a, ebu adwuma wa bibrem ha nyina no ye adwuma efri na ekro ya. Woni ya na emusifo nim difoni ni nkita ho. Ewo cmbghana@ecobank.com. Ana ko ecobank.com na fa yen self service enhihyeya eso nkita wodi nya de kura no dijuma. Ecobank, the Pan-African Bank.
Enti ade na uma ewa ene kata e ma ohunu so nsuo etna wani jesu krasa debi de wohia ne Samalin cough syrup ebe ma wo ene wabusuafo nyina ade won ho afri ewa ene kata e ma ohunu so nsuo ye wo Samalin junior Samalin adult ene Samalin lozenges e ma wo ene wabusuafo nyina se wodru pharmacy ana licensed chemical shop se so pisa wo pe Samalin eka item drug nro no ho bi se na nu achi na ho sisan bia Mr. Ko doctor FDA ahwehwe se dwedi nkrato yi mu agye atomu se ye
Father Christmas ebrene drinti ye show kwan se wo de wiase ne panina bebre we mfie afi we me pe Samsung Galaxy Note 9 eno net so 512 gigabytes nkwa wonnim pictures do ametimi etwegu so Father Christmas we die many dawo aha afi we so my yard ye pa
emfa wa chede ni agrobronye every say ubetimi anya Samsung device won so wo Blue Month no mu Samsung device bia beto bia benya chede free. This is free Melcom shopping vouchers, accessory vouchers, free smartphones, t-shirts, ni baseball caps, ni keka ho bebre. Cause Samsung shop BM. Now go use Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Na fa chede won so bi coffee bronye. Santa sign ka go yase.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Ooh boy, now sounds so me.
is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice. This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Papa, na ekum me shiki papa, na ekum me kasa me nanti me juma me paso kobo.
Oh my goodness.
Me nanti me paso me juma kobo water. Na
ekum ya.
Betini semko.
Ade. All that soon.
Betini semko.
Send your shaky, also Aba. Hey, Osheki, also now. Yeah, about your young fire, I get sports and trust na boys at Nasi. Na, and they said, a branch here, Kwame about their fan home or chance a friend. Can I and Quebec as Usua Bankesim? I go back to your grandma.
Well. Please, I get sports. A perfect program, perfect
engaging.
That's right.
And perfect, unexpected. Irrigated sports. Papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. So Kumchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
You be there. Sisi Chum.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. Na debia miti irrigated sports. There's no day minti irrigated because miti manage na me stress.
And not there with your permission, whether you permitted me or permitted me, my way me turn and catch up. Person man you kasaka crave you mamina no crane me turn and catch it.
Fellow Ghanaians, brothers and sisters, this is Hassan Ayerga. Keep listening, Irrigated Sports. It's real sports. Best for you, good for you.
Thank you.
Samini Festival. This obo bra imagine.
Okay,
Yeah. You're listening to Irrigated Sports. Minimos, irrigated sortos, irrigated sports.
And then Shawali Beba. Because Shatawali, why am I level video kama? I'm a SM fancy and yaji. After video, Ibakwe, ya. Na Adia Balu, do a cost of na Balu, ya pay more. Now, yes, I love what you are cost of. Yes, of course, so I best answer from one answer.
Okay, the Shawali is wrong. Okay. Shawali.
This is Shattawali right from the Shatta movement, and you're listening to Irrigated Sports. Lock it down. Block.
Block.
Let's raring for food and jobs. So, when you are on Prequintino. Pop party is on native Preco back.
Oh, so maybe.
Ochankra. Benjamin Ochankra. Miaka sounds like Preco no mean we been to. This is command pressure man the Preco back. Ma lecture and
Wednesday or by. Okay, lecture you.
Within the Benjamin Ochre Ankara, Mechra Deo Central University. I irrigated sports. I sports without limit. 20 minia. I irrigated sports. And one empty.
Bobia, special Christmas edition. Akaisipana, memo back. Bobia umbia, Janitum. Udemba. Mami be my
free aqua. Monkey irrigated for Adom FM 106.5.
I be saying I'll catch them for some monkey Nebeka. That's a friend monkey. And a guy named a dear for every aqua Nebeka say.
Maybe a free aqua. The bagger irrigated for Adom FM 106.5.
As a monkey, and any kind.
And not one kind.
Oh, woman, Obrafuni pay.
When near, are you roll? Are you sure? I'm sure. Yes, that you do. I'm a dove. Sure, the uncle Bepra. Sure, the uncle Bepra. Yeah. So, but so did you do more ground of fashion? I could be about back on fair be at one of the bone. I couldn't do you know Fanta to Fanta to the whole world and had in the whole world. What the body to now I say. Okay, mine super much or more room kakana. I know they make Ethiopia.
More fire. Chama Mija no. Last word, now the Jaco to Kufuna. More fire.
Last word, and it's a cause supporters. Stay calm. Media, meaning, say, and near my air everything will work together.